Hello guys, and just I got a new trick on how to get free internet in Kenya using an Airtel SIM card. I don't know if it works in all countries. So we are going to use an Airtel SIM card. First of all, go to Play Store. Then you're gonna in the search bar you're gonna tap in AustroPlus tunnel VPN. After it opens, click and choose this app here, this icon. So after select this, click to open the app now. I have already installed. Now the trick comes here. So click on custom servers. Then I recommend to choose the German because the fastest and the responsive. After choosing the German, good. Now let's continue. Click on this option here. After you are here, you're gonna go to the search bar up here. Then type in the name of your customer or your SIM card. So I'm going to select a custom tweak. So I'm going to type in Kenya Airtel. Then choose the option 1. This for Kenyans. You just search for your country. So here is the Kenya, which will work for free internet. So choose and select this one. And what to do here? Just click on connect. Click on connect here. After click on connect, now you just go to logs. Click here on this logs option here. Then you see the process of connecting or the connection. As you see here, 101 switching like this, custom tweak, authenticating, then connected. Boom, guys, you just give it time. As you see here, it's connected, guys. We are ready to use free internet.